When your baby coughs, don't panic. Coughing helps clear mucus and germs. Here's a gentle, mom-approved guide to comfort them safely. Keep the air moist, run a humidifier, or place a warm water bowl nearby. Steam in the bathroom can ease tiny lungs. Offer warm fluids, water, breast milk or formula, and light soups. Sips often soothe the throat and help thin mucus. For babies over 1 year, warm honey water can calm coughs. Avoid honey for under 12 months to prevent infant botulism. Keep baby cozy. Change damp clothes quickly. Warm the chest and neck and let them rest. Gentle cuddles encourage calmer breathing. Call your doctor if cough lasts over 7 days, fever, wheezing, vomiting, green or yellow phlegm, or blood appears. Don't give cough medicine or antibiotics without medical advice. Save this, share with a mum friend, and breathe easy.